You know what? This is the most quiet it will be all day
That's true.
long. And we have 2 flash flood warnings across the state of Arkansas. And part of that is actually impacting our southern suburbs of Little Rock.
Yeah, no kidding. And a lot of the rain happening within an hour. I mean, you've had it overnight, but within an hour, many of you 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. And some of these storms will be training today, which does bring the flood risk up.
And by the way, it is snowing in Denver. We'll have Melanie Black on the Rocky Snow later this morning. But let's start with the severe weather.
Yeah.
I mean, gosh, we have had a very intense spring severe weather season, and now the South is back in focus. Alabama and Mississippi, you guys are right in the thick of things, and Georgia as well. In fact, Atlanta and Birmingham are both in the threat zone for today. So let's get you updated. We'll start with that, the threat zone. By the way, this is an exclusive product to our Fox Weather family, but does a really good job of summing up all of the threats, because when you think about severe weather, I mean, gosh, you can have tornadoes, you can have flash flooding, and this really sums everything up to let you know, is your neighborhood, your community at threat for some of these higher level weather impacts? And unfortunately for folks in Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, you are. We're looking at a significant threat for flash flooding to pop up with these thunderstorms. And although we have some action this morning, we're really concerned about those supercells that will form later this evening, because those will be the ones that can turn tornadic. But what a wide footprint. I mean, the outlook goes from Texas all the way to the Carolinas today. Yeah,
this from the Storm Prediction Center. And if you were with us yesterday, the conversation, we are at a level 2 out of 5. It has shifted a little farther south, and now it includes that level 3 you were talking about. Here's the flash flood warning, a couple of them for Arkansas. I look up to the board there. Hot Springs is going to be one of those, Pulaski County as well, through 6 o'clock this morning. While the rain may not be intense at this point, if you're under that flash flood warning, it was. Exactly.
We had rain rates of about 1 inch to 1.5 inches per hour. So that's enough to cause street flooding and low-lying spots to collect water, especially in a place like Hot Springs. I mean, you have topography at play there. So in these pre-dawn hours, make sure that you're really careful. There's a look at the outlook that we have in place today. So again, that level 3 zone, kind of the highest concern. And as we mentioned, we do have tornadoes that are possible, especially with these late day supercells that can be lasting well past sunset.
Yeah, and notice this is a level 3 out of 5 from Storm Prediction Center, central Alabama, central Mississippi. That's one of the highest that we've looked at in the past week or so, for sure. But we could see intense tornadoes, EF2 or stronger. Let's not forget the hail. Damaging winds, a big concern as well. But damaging hail, a big part of this story, especially with some of these supercells that develop before we go to the evening hours. And then we're talking about a pretty much widespread wind event potentially through the overnight hours. And of course, with these storms in the same location, Britta, we will watch for some flash flooding today as well.